In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to castle on chess.com step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Castling is one of the most important moves in chess because it keeps your king safe and activates your rook at the same time. If you've ever wondered why your castle move isn't working, I'll also explain all the rules and conditions you need to follow. If this helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple chess tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to chess.com, then start a game or load any position where castling is possible. Once you're on the board, the first step is to select your king. You can do this by either clicking on the king or tapping it if you're on mobile. Now, to perform the castle move, move your king 2 squares toward the rook you want to castle with. So if you're castling kingside, move the king 2 squares to the right. If you're castling queenside, move it 2 squares to the left. After you release the king, the rook will automatically jump over and land right next to it. That's how you know the castle move has been completed successfully. There's also an alternative way to do this on chess.com. Instead of moving the king 2 squares, you can drag the king directly on top of the rook, and the platform will perform the castling move for you instantly. This is especially helpful if you're playing quickly or on mobile. Now let's talk about the rules, because castling only works if certain conditions are met. First, neither your king nor the rook you're using can have moved earlier in the game. Even if they moved and came back, castling is no longer allowed. Second, the path between your king and rook must be completely clear. That means no pieces in between, not even your own. Third, and this is very important, you cannot castle if your king is currently in check, if it would pass through a square that is under attack, or if it would land on a square that is under attack. In simple terms, your king must stay safe during the entire move. However, here's something many beginners don't realize. Your rook is allowed to be under attack, and you can still castle. The restriction only applies to the king. If your castle move isn't working on chess.com, it's almost always because one of these rules is being broken, so double check each condition carefully. And that's it. You now know exactly how to castle on chess.com and why it sometimes doesn't work. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.